Welcome back to RVC. So if you look at on our channel, so there is a harmonic patterns which we posted on 2nd February 2025. So a lot of patterns like deep crab, Gartley, AB equal to CD, anti-cipher, right, and anti-butterfly, double bottom, multiple patterns we actually shared on various stocks on weekly time frame. So after a week, we quickly want to relook at how those stocks are performing, or these patterns are being respected or not on all those around 12 to 15 stocks whatever we shared in the last week. So if we look at the first one in the video, in case if you're not seen the previous video, kindly go through that one. So you will have a better idea of stock each one in the same order I covered in this video also, right? The first one is in the KSB, so which formed actually deep crab on this week. This is a week starting 27th Jan, and this is a week starting 3rd Feb. So this basically today is an 8th, so already 7th, which is a Friday. So this is the closure of the week. So there seems to be kind of a push upside, which is from this level of 678, it tested 738, and then there seems to be kind of a slight reversal here on the KSB. Now the next one is on the Lux. Lux India actually formed a Gartley pattern, and there seems to be kind of so this actually formation completed on Monday, and there is a good upside push from here. Okay, so this one, if you look at this level of 1478, it went to a high of 1625 level, right? So, and then it closed 1584, right? So it's good 15, almost 100 points up. So overall, if you look at from the low of this candle, so which is now 1480 to the 1628, so almost 140 rupees up on the Gartley formation, and the close is also in a positive on this one. Now the next one is a Home First Finance. So this one, this formation is actually anti-butterfly, and this completion happened in the last week, and this week there is a good upside push. Okay, so you can see this. The low is a 928 in the last week when the formation completed 924, 925 level, and there is a high of close to around 130 level, right? So 100 rupees up on this one. The next is a Jindal Sa. So this is an anti-cipher formation, and there seems to be good upside from the low of 217. We had seen the high of 270. Okay, so in a week, almost 45 plus reversal. The next is on Imami Limited. And Imami is an AB equal to CD formation, and immediately on the completion of the formation, last week itself there is a good push towards upside, and this week seems to be kind of in a flat. So it's still in the positive side, but the candle seems to be kind of 613 to 570. So there is 40 rupees less in this week. Okay, and the next is ERIS. So this is an anti-butterfly formation, and you can see that's good upside push. Okay, you can look at this formation completion on 1131, and we see 1478 is a closure in this week, which is almost 300 plus points up, right? So 370 points up. The next is Godrej Industries. So Godrej Industries is actually Gartley formation. So the formation is completed. There is a push, but there seems to be kind of some consolidation before it take off and then see the target 1 and target 2. Okay. Next is Usha Martin. So Usha Martin is actually forming a Gartley formation, and it's actually almost 2.5, 3 weeks back. Try to move upside, but seems to be kind of it is below the formation level, and maybe not perform the way it is expected. Okay, so next is Star Health, which is anti-Gartley formation. So it is still holding this level. So actually the stop loss is somewhere here. So it is still holding the level. Wait for this coming week how it will perform. The next is NLC India, is again AB equal to CD formation. So there is you can see from here, which is 196, it went all the way up to 236, which is 40 rupees up, but seems to be kind of not able to sustain that level. Again, it is actually closing at 215 level. Okay. Next is Apar Industries. Apar Industries actually formed anti-Gartley formation, and it is still holding the level. There is a push upside, but still the entire week seems to be kind of trading within this level. Okay. So wait for this coming week, whether it will take an upside or whether it will go down. Okay. Next is BEML. BEML is actually forming an anti-Gartley here, and it tried to go up. It's actually here. Okay, but they seem to be kind of pushed downwards, so the ratios are still within that level. So the formation is registered to this. Okay, let's see what happens in this week. Okay, so next is CG power, which is like deep crab formation, and it respected this level, and there is, seems to be kind of like there is a push upside, almost like 100 rupees up. Okay, why I'm saying this is like 517, and there is like 634, and the close is around like 617. So there is a 100 rupees up from the low of the formation completion. Okay, so the next is CDSL. CDSL also, if you see, this is an anti-butterfly formation. So this one is what actually we discussed in the last week, and this week also at the same level. So seems to be respecting this level, and let's wait for the coming week. Okay. So next is the power grid, which is actually AB equal to CD formation, and this seems to be kind of like try to take a push upside, but all the power sector, if you see, NTPC is also going down, Power Grid Corporation is also going down, PTC is also going down. So maybe because of that, it's not able to actually sustain this level and seems to be kind of a pushing it down. Okay. So next is the trend. Trent actually formed a Gartley formation here, and again it is extended to here, but seems to be like push towards like 6,200 level from 5,004. Okay, if you look at this is a 5,300, 1,000 rupees up, and then again there is a push down to this level. Okay, so FSL is the next one. FSL is like cipher pattern. It is respecting this level, seems to be kind of like pushing towards the target one and target two. Okay. The next is SBI card. SBI card, you see this is a double bottom formation, and the formation completed somewhere here, right? And which is like 770, and you had seen a high of 840, right? Almost like 70 rupees up. So it seems to be like a good uptrend happening now in this. Okay. The last in this list is a Petronet. Gatti formation happened, and it respected this level of close to around like 290 level, and now it is trading at 315 level. So we're seeing some good upside directional move here, and let's see how whether this will sustain this level once it reach target one and target two, whether will there be any reversal. Okay, so I think that's a summary of this one. So let's see. There are no new patterns apart from this. If you see, especially on Nifty. Okay, let me go back to the Nifty. You remember the Nifty and a daily time frame actually formed in anti-butterfly formation here. You can see this one, and so the low of 22,790, we're seeing a high of close to 22,786. There is an almost like 1,050 points upside momentum, like from here within the like more than a week. Okay, this is on the 27th of Jan, and this 1,000 points up happened by Wednesday, which is like 5th, like yeah, less than 10 days. Actually, you can see this within 10 days. There is a good 1,000 points move from the low after completion of the anti-butterfly formation. Okay. Hope these it's actually giving a thought about understanding what these patterns are all about, how we can actually trade once the formation completion. Okay. So please let me know in case if you need any more clarity on these patterns, how you want, what kind of a support you are looking for. I'm ready to help you. So if you want to get in touch with me, please WhatsApp me on 9494246220. Thank you. Thank you very much. Kindly please subscribe to the channel.